Hi there, everyone. My name is Rob Anderson. I'm an illusionist here in Vegas, and we are doing street magic tonight on the Vegas Strip. And I just ran into Julian, and I ran into Tanaz, and we're going to show them a little bit of magic. Talked to you briefly beforehand. Let me just kind of confirm. How do you two know each other? You are
Dating.
dating. Okay, I just wanted to make sure.
Yeah.
Don't like to assume anything. Don't like to assume. So you're dating. I'm going to tie that in just a little bit with some of the magic. All right. Remember back to your first dates. First dates? Yeah?
No.
You don't remember your first dates? You remember your first date, don't you?
She does.
Sure. Yeah, of course you do. How long ago was that? A few years ago? A few months ago?
Year and a half.
Year and a half? Okay, that's awesome. About a year and a half ago, you went on some of those first dates. Let's take you back to your first dates with the first trick, okay? Julian, could you take your right hand and hold it like that? Tanaz, could you take your right hand and hold it like that for me? Perfect. A little bit closer, a little bit. Freeze just like that. Great. Love it. We're going to use a card for this. We will use the 9 of clubs for this. I'm going to. Now it's very windy. Make sure that you, if I hand you something, you hold on to it. The 9's going to go in your hand. Your hand's going to go on top. So you're holding hands. Freeze just like that. Remember back to those first dates? You might have held hands on some of those dates. I've got the 6 of hearts. The hearts are better for you. I think you should have the hearts because they represent love. I just want you to tell me if you feel this. Yes, you feel that? Yes?
Yes.
Do you feel this? Yes? Yes? Did you feel that?
No way.
Ah, look what you have. The hearts.
Hey.
So much love. So much love. And you didn't want to come over at first. They didn't want to come over.
good.
They were skeptical. They were skeptical. All right, we're going to do a second one. You found each other and you bonded, and that's special. So let's talk. She's still getting over that trick. I like that trick. It was a good card trick. It was. Let's talk about your bond with a little bit of magic, okay? I'm going to hand you this marker. You're going to need this in just a minute. Hang on to that.
Stop.
Okay. We'll use the 3 of diamonds for this. Could you please put your name on the 3 of diamonds for me under my thumb right there? Just put your name, Tanaz, right there for me.
Here?
Yeah.
Write it, my name?
Yep. Right all over my card. That's great. That's great. So we recognize that. It's got your name on it. When we see that 3, we know that that is yours. It's the only one with your name on it. We're going to leave that face up. We're going to come back to this. We are going to leave it face up in the deck. You can pass the marker over to Julian. Clubs will work. Let's do clubs. Could you put your name on the top of the clubs right there? That's great. You can cap that for me. We're going to put this face down. We've got one card face up. This one's going to go face down. I'm not going to try to find them. They should find each other, I think. Watch how we'll do this. If we go through the deck, we're going to find one card face up. We know it's got Tanaz's name on it because you signed it like that. Oh, there it is. Very easy to recognize. The card right next to it, I think it would be special if the card right next to that had Julian's name. They found each other, just like you two found each other. I'll take that back from you. Thank you very much. These 2 cards represent you, and they're special. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to put them together so they look like one card. See how we do that? They represent your bond. Experiences form your bond. Sometimes exciting experiences like this trip to Vegas, exciting experiences form part of your bond. Also the less exciting experiences like sitting around trying to figure out what to watch on Netflix. Still part of your story, still forms your memories and your bond together. And there's other experiences like those important conversations that we need to have. They all form your bond. We have 2 intertwined cards. That says Julian, right? It still says Julian, right? It's Julian. Can you pinch Julian's name on the top card, Tanaz? Can you pinch Julian's name on the top card? Perfect.
Yeah.
Julian, could you pinch the bottom card with Tanaz's name right there? That's great. I want you to think about your bond. Think about some of the memories you've made as we come in. I'm going to remove only the part of this that doesn't matter, leaving you
Oh, no.
with, let go, an impossible representation of your bond together, sealed forever. Just checking for glue. Checking for glue and tape. You can talk about that when you get home. You can put that in your pocket. I'm gonna give you one more souvenir now. I'm gonna hand you a card. Put your finger on top so it doesn't blow away. Very windy tonight. This is a blank card. Currently, there is nothing on here. I think we should assign a meaning to this card. Think, and you're going to feel this happen as this message. You can almost feel that. Yes? Are you feeling this happen?
Yeah.
I want you to go ahead and look at that card, and if it has your message on it, you can look at that card, you can look at what it says. If it has your message on it, I'd like you to show her, okay, whenever you're ready.